Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so आज को यो भिडियोमा चाहिँ I'll be talking about the MCQ related to the iron metabolism. Okay, this iron is an important essential mineral that is required by the body for the different biological functions, and there are a lot of proteins that are involved in the iron homeostasis. Okay, so the question for today's MCQ states, what is the role of DMT1? Okay, the divalent metal transporter 1 in iron metabolism. As I told you, there are a lot of proteins that are involved in the iron metabolism and iron homeostasis. Okay, so this DMT, which is a divalent metal transporter, यसको रोल चाहिँ के होला त आइरन मेटाबोलिजममा है र यससँग रिलेटेड अब हामीहरु चाहिँ choicesहरु हेरौं. Okay, so the first choice for the question is excretion of iron. है second choice के छ त भन्दाखेरि stores iron in the liver. Okay, the third choice is transfer iron from the gut lumen into the enterocytes. Okay, र लास्ट मा हाम्रो के छ त भन्दाखेरि oxidizes iron in the blood stream. Okay, oxidizes iron in the blood stream. है अब हेर्नुस् यो डाइभ्यालेन्ट मेटल ट्रान्सपोर्टर है DMT को फुल फर्म. अब ट्रान्सपोर्ट भन्ने बित्तिकै त अहिले पक्का नै ट्रान्सपोर्ट गर्छ है. सो बेसिकली यो MCQs को लागि चाहिँ आन्सर के हुन जान्छ त भन्दाखेरि आन्सर सी. आन्सर सी. The DMT1 or divalent metal transporter 1, it transfer iron from the gut lumen in the enterocytes. Okay, so this divalent metal transporter is involved in the transfer of iron from the gut lumen into the enterocytes. Okay, so त्यहाँ हाम्रो जुन आइरन हुन्छ नि त्यो हिमबाट आउँछ, नन हिम component बाट पनि आउँछ है. र जुन आइरन अभाइलेबल हुन्छ है during absorption is in the oxidized form, that is in the Fe3+ form. Okay, the oxidized form, the ferric form of iron. Okay, so during the iron absorption के हुन्छ त भन्दाखेरि पहिला सुरु त्यो Fe3+ अथवा oxidized form of iron लाई ferric reductase ले के गर्छ त भन्दाखेरि Fe2+. Okay, this Fe3+ ferric form, it is reduced into ferrous form है, अनि by the enzyme ferric reductase. अनि बल्ल यो आइरन के हुन्छ त हाम्रो ल्युमेन है गटको ल्युमेन बाट हाम्रो यो ट्रान्सपोर्टर हुँदै कहाँ छिर्छ त एन्टेरोसाइट्स भित्र छिर्छ. ओके है, सो यो MCQs को लागि आन्सर के भयो त हाम्रो आन्सर सी. द आन्सर सी इज ट्रान्सफर आइरन फ्रम द गट ल्युमेन इन्टु द enterocytes. Thank you.